How to add different descriptions per variant in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first log into your Shopify admin and click on settings. Then click on metafields and meta objects. Next up, click on variants and click on add definition. Now you need to name it exactly variant description, like so. So make sure you name it exactly like this because we need this to be custom.variant underscore description. Once you have it like this, you simply just want to change the type to become rich text and click on save. Next up, go to products on your left panel and click on any product that has, variants that you actually want to add this to. Scroll down until you find your variants and click on one of them. Scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to find metafields topic here or option. And you just want to add the description for this specific variant. Next up, just click on save from the top and move on to the next variant. So basically you just want to add the descriptions to each variant as you like. And again, make sure you save after each description that you add. And now you simply just want to click on online store and go to edit theme from your current theme that you're using. And just go to the default product page. So click on products at the top and click on default product page. Next up, you simply just want to expand the product information section, expand details, and you simply just want to add a block within details. Click on add block and click on custom liquid. But I actually want to first switch to the product that does actually have variants. So let's just click here and click on this one, which does have the variants. As you can see here, we have gold and silver. So anyways, we just go back to here, details, add block, and search for custom liquid. We should be able to find it right over here. And you simply just want to go down to the description where you'll be able to find a code. You simply just want to copy it and paste it right over here. And now you can see that we have our description here at the top. You can feel free to move it by just moving the block custom code. So I'm just going to move it underneath the buy buttons like so. And now we can see that we have our description. And if we switch to the other variant, it's just going to also load up. But first you want to save the entire thing and then it's just going to basically work for us. So now it's gold, so it has the golden description. If we click on silver, it's just going to switch and it's basically just going to switch to the silver description. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.